Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. We warmly welcome to this presentation. Why this presentation? What has prompted me to make this presentation is I have been meditating for the past 12 years. I have derived immense benefit from meditation in terms of acquiring calmness, stability, and vibrancy. As such, I thought I could share my experience with those who have the inclination to meditate. Sadasiva Samarambham Vyasa Shankara Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. Meditation, simply stated, is the practice of bringing the mind to focus and then concentrating on some desired object or person. Why should we meditate? In the present mad rush of life, we experience too much of stress and strain. As a result, our efficiency is compromised. Additionally, we are robbed of our peace of mind and active involvement in life. All these combined take a heavy toll on our health, physical and mental. In order to regain our enthusiasm and maximize our commitment, meditation is the most suited option. What are the benefits? Bhagavan says in the Gita, Uddharet Atmana Atmanam. Let the self be uplifted and transformed by the self. This upliftment and transformation must be brought about by the individual concerned, and the method to realize this objective is through meditation. Meditation helps us to transform ourselves into better beings, peaceful and joyous. It helps to explore and access the potential lying hidden in us. It also helps to reach a higher level of awareness. Meditation in our culture. Meditation is a valuable asset inherited by us from our ancient seers. According to the Vedic view of life, right action should be complemented by contemplation and meditation. Meditation as a tool has been well established in our knowledge systems, particularly by sage Patanjali with his Ashtanga Yoga.